Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the WEvolve Esoteric box for March of 2021. I used to get this one for years in the past, but then I felt like I wasn't really connected with it. What I like is that she does release the themes in advance before you purchase, but not necessarily the contents. And the theme that she presented was something that I was interested in, so I did buy this as a one-off purchase. So here we go. I've been going through all of my collection, and she always does little art things. I've been meaning to art journal with them. So shadow work, I'm going to look at this last. WEvolve box shadow work, journal prompts and oracle reading suggestions. So pretty interesting. Nice little info there. We got ourselves a black candle. Little box here. Let's see what's in it. It's a stone. I don't recognize it immediately, but we shall read about what it is. We've got a bundle. It appears to be cedar, and probably it smells like cedar and white sage. Oh, very nice. I do have this on my Amazon wish list, and now I have it in my hand, so very, very good. Super pleased. Magic of You Oracle, so stay tuned for when I catch up on all my unboxings. I do have, I want to say 3 or 4 new decks, and probably this at least 2 dozen new books. So stay tuned for that. And it looks like we have a journal. Oh, and a pencil. Hold on. Or a pen. Hold on. One at a time. Okay, so this is a pen. It's got a little skull man. Skull person. Human. A human skull. You turn it and it comes out. Cool. Very nice and practical. And then we have this journal with the, check it out, the eye on it, the hands. Just a lined journal. Oh, very nice. It's got a little pocket here. I kind of really like that, actually. Very cool. I'm not super fond of the cover, but I really, really like the pocket. Because especially when you're doing this sort of thing, you gather ephemera that you want to hold on to. So, Black Hellbore art card. The Magic of You Oracle deck. Very excited about this. I See Spiral Bound Notebook and Journal by the Abstract Lovers. I'm definitely going to check them out because I would like a different cover, but I do love the pocket so much. The Skull Pen. Black Taper Candle. Sage and Cedar, a blend of smudge, it says, or sacred smoke. And a raw Numite stone. I'm not sure if I am super familiar with this stone, but here it is. So yes, I do like this box. This box was a win for me, and I kind of hedged my bets that it would be, because I'm definitely, when I like this box, I really like it, and when I don't, it's pretty significant miss. So I'm really, really glad that I like it a lot. And I'm going to leave a link for you in the description below. This is an every other month box, so she alternates. So the Esoteric is every other month, and it has different themes that you would have to check out. And the Wisdom Keepers is a book subscription, which is every other month as well, to the best of my knowledge. It might be monthly, I don't know. You'll definitely have to check out the link below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you soon.